Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok app is not available in your country or region you are in. So guys, when you try to download and install TikTok from your app store and you will see that TikTok not showing in app store, I will help you how can you fix this problem and how can you download your TikTok if not showing. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to go back, open, click on your Apple ID icon, and after this you need to click on your Apple ID name. And guys, now you need to wait for some seconds here. So guys, now you can see simply here is the option of country and region. Click on it, and after this here is the option of change country or region. From here guys, you need to change your country. So you can select this country Pakistan to download and get TikTok. And guys, after this you need to wait. Here is the option of agree, click on it. And now you have to select none option, and here you need to enter any name. Here you need to write here billing address. For example, here I have write it this one. Here you need to select your city, and now here you can write postal code of this city, and here you need to enter phone number. And guys, after this simply you have to click on next, and after this your country and region will be changed in your app store, as you can see. So guys, after this you can search TikTok and you can easily get your app. So guys, as you will see, you can easily download and install TikTok if it is not showing by doing this method. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.